Where the trades are. Hi, Dean Jenkins with followmetrades.com, and this is the market update for the week coming up of April 19th, 2021. And I'm showing a chart of the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY. And it's probably no news to you as a trader that it's going up, right? And last Friday we put in record highs. You can see the candle there. So pretty much all week in the last couple of weeks we put in record highs on the major indexes. And you could ask a fifth grader to look at this chart and ask them, is the trend up or down? And they would obviously say it's up. And so there it is. It's going up. That's the reality. I think it's I'm not ready to go long on the indexes. It's mature. It's been going up for over a year. Pretty much straight up, little minor hiccups along the way, but it's a long, mature trend. So I'm not going long the SPY or the Qs or anything like that. But there are still some trading opportunities in some sectors. It rotated recently and corrected, and now they're heading back up. And but if you look at a sector analysis, there's no clear picture. So I think the action is in individual trades on a fairly short-term basis. And so, the only analysis I can offer on the indexes is, wow, they're in an uptrend and they're continuing, and they have been for a long time, and it's a mature trend, and I'm not going to chase it. There's no major economic news coming up in the upcoming week. No big reports. No cliff to fall off of yet. We're in earnings season. We got Netflix and Snap and a few others coming out. Last week the financials came out and they were good. Expectations are high. If there's some stumbles on earnings, that could be, that could cause a little setback. The overnight futures, it's funny, the financial press, their motive is to draw clicks, not necessarily to inform. So here's the headline: stock futures fall in overnight trading after the record highs. The Dow's down 0.25%. The S&P 500 futures down 0.2%. That's not much of a cliff. That's not much of a fall. That's a little breather in my book. So rather than try to analyze the indexes, which are in an uptrend, that's the analysis, right? I thought I'd point out where I'm looking for trades, and so I'll give you my top 5 trade candidates that I'll be looking at Monday morning and through the week, see if they hit. So first one is AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. So they did have a pretty good correction, and they were up, corrected, and starting to head up. I got a trigger at 84.86. If that happens, it looks like the up move will continue. So that looks good. CERN, another stock. Cerner Corp. Overall uptrend, nice correction, and it looks good now, right? It looks pretty good now. So if it's hanging on Monday, that could be a good trade to the long side. Docusign. This was a COVID stay-at-home winner. Obviously, big move up, long consolidation correction, down. Now look at up above the cloud, up above the moving averages, positive momentum. Looks like it could continue. So that's a nice candidate. APO is number 4 on my list. Same thing, big move up, correction, a little consolidation, and now breaking into highs. That looks decent. And the last one that I will share with you is CRWD. This is a good looking long trade. Same pattern. They're all the same and they're all long, right? Big move up, perfect correction, breaking out, probably ready now. So we'll see what it does Monday. And all of these, if they look good, I'm going to check the earnings date, going to check a few more things, but I could be going long on these, and I will be reviewing them in the trading room. And if they look good, we'll take the trade, right? If the market's going up, we'll go up with it till it ain't. So that's the update for this week. If you want to follow along with which of these trades I take or any new ones we find, you're welcome to sign up for a subscription to my stock and option pick service, live trading room. Link is in below the video here in YouTube. All right, thanks. Catch you next time. Bye.